For today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you on how to make salad maki sushi. Yes guys, another sushi. And if you want to know on how to make it, join me until the end of the video. Okay? It is easy to make and really healthy and delicious. Kaya samahan niyo ako guys na gumawa ng salad maki sushi or roll sushi. Okay? Let's get started. Now our maki roll sushi. It is easy and healthy. I hope you like it guys. And now we are going to eat this. Join me. Let's eat guys. Let's eat now. Itadakimasu. We're gonna dip this in soy sauce. This is a Japanese sauce, soy sauce. The vegetables are fresh. Can bite it. Good. Perfect for a green tea. Perfect match for the Japanese green tea. Good. Try this. Later, I'm going to make a sushi mukbang. So, I will do the rest of the mackerel sushi. Then I will make it as mukbang. My mukbang, okay? So, I hope you like our recipe today. You can try it so that you will know how it tastes. Yummy, masarap, oishi, oishi, good. It is yummy, oishi, masarap, delicious, everything. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support always. For more recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to push the bell notification to be updated on my upcoming videos. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Mata ne!